Hello, this is Miles from Tech Help Daily, and today I am doing an unboxing of my new phone, the Samsung Galaxy S3. This is the box that came in. It says Galaxy S3, nice and big right there. Not sure what it means there. But on the back gives you a bunch of information, just like your standard phone box. Some of the features it has, other stuff like the list of stuff that it contains, its memory capacity, carrier, whatnot. And now we're going to open the box. And underneath this package is the actual box. And underneath the lid, and there it is. The best part of the whole box. I can get it out. There we go. This thing is extremely light. Probably because it doesn't have the battery in it yet. And home button, power button, whatnot. Again, tells your carrier, phone model. And then underneath here is another box. And it has your instruction manual, earphones. Let's see what else. I'm gonna guess that this is the charger cable. Yeah. This is the wall mount for the charger cable. And last part is the battery. Alright.